Now let's take a look over the camera performance of this device. Again, the 16 megapixel camera at the back can take pretty good photos in low light as well as in daylight. And let me just take the photo of the action figure over there, and let me just take both of these photos again without light, and let me just take this one as well. So we have all these photos taken, and I can show you all of them one by one. First of all, we will take a look over the photo which has been taken without the artificial light. So this is the one which has been taken with light. As you can see, this is how the subject look like, and I would say the color production is done very nicely. There is a very minimal difference in colors which I can see in original and what is being reproduced over there, but this is how it is. Clarity is pretty good. I can see the details very nicely on this device when I've taken the photo, and photos are looking to be slightly brighter, which is not bad, I would say, for a consumer out there. As far as this one is concerned, this one is looking pretty good as well, and this is how the original subject look like. As you can see, this is also pretty good in terms of clarity, in terms of details, and the color production is also done very nicely. And again, it is not the exact natural thing, but this is also looking pretty good. Let's take a look over some of the low light shots which we have taken. So this is the first low light shot which we have taken, and this is also looking pretty good in terms of clarity, in terms of details as well. And when it comes to this one has been taken low light as well, and this is also looking good. So now comparing the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge camera with the rear camera on iPhone 6, this is how the photo actually look like, which we have taken of a glass in low light kind of scenario, and you can see the photo is looking good on both of them as far as details are concerned. If you zoom in, you can see good amount of details over there, and if you zoom in, you can see good amount of details over here as well. And if you compare both of them, the kind of details which I can see on the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge is good, and it is good over here as well. But in terms of the overall colors, what I can see is it is much more natural over there as far as this low light photo is concerned on the iPhone 6, but it is much brighter over here. So this photo is looking much brighter, which could appeal to a normal consumer out there as compared to this one, which is actually not that bright if you actually compare it with this one. And you can see the difference over there. This photo is natural, good in colors. This photo is again may not be as natural as this one is, but this one is looking better in terms of the overall brightness, and details are also slightly better over here on the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge as far as the rear camera quality is concerned.